So guys, we are going to Gatwick Airport and journey begins to Paris.
Yes. It's now 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's now 4 o'clock. I showed you outside better, outside views. ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਅੱਜ ਮੌਸਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕੰਮ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਗੈਟਵਿਕ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ ਤੇ।
ਮੈਂ 3 ਘੰਟੇ ਸੁੱਤੀ
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਂਡ 12 ਘੰਟੇ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ। So I don't want to bore you guys. So let's see what will happen. We will show you everything and you can see outside as well.
We are in Paris. We're trying to find, we literally just got out. I changed into this swaggy outfit. He changed into jeans. We're trying to find the train station. So that's our next goal, and to get a ticket and to get to Central.
ये ट्रेन स्टेशन ना लगे तेरे होटल तक तोड़ के लेके जाना है।
नहीं बहुत दूर है। Yeah, we don't actually know. This is the first time I'm actually getting a train from the airport. Usually I would like get a taxi or drive to Paris, but I think it's different.
Yeah, because we didn't arrange any transport.
Living on the edge. ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ
ਹੋਇਆ ਮਹਾਲਾਜ਼ਰ ਮਿੰਨੀ ਆਈ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ
ਚਲੋ got 2 Beyond Burgers with the barbecue sauce and pepper, and then we got coleslaw, we got pit wedges, and we got some cola. Yeah, so this is all like vegan food, so I think I was recommended this by my friend, so I'm hoping it tastes good. Jyoti burger ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੀਗਾ?
Burger nice ਸੀਗਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ 'ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਅਜੀਬ ਲੱਗਾ ਪਰ overall nice ਸੀਗਾ।
Yeah. But highly recommended. Je koi bhi Paris se aaya, if anyone comes to Paris and wants a vegan option, Hank Burgers.
Yeah.
Yes.
Burgers are really nice. Yeah.
So now we're going to the Louvre. We're making our way over, so it should be fun. Where are we going next?
Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long
well, we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk.
Yeah. How long it will take?
I don't know. It's now 4 o'clock, so I'm still tired. We've been here for like an hour and a half.
And I am sleepy.
He's really sleepy, bless him.
Sleepy.
He basically didn't sleep all night because he was working, and then we flew straight here, so
yeah.
we'll sleep tonight. Jyoti, Eiffel Tower पहुंच गए. Right, so we finally made it to the Eiffel Tower and we are exhausted. We took 2 trains and then walked across, and yeah, we're just very tired. So once we take some pictures from here, we're basically going to head home to our hotel, see and check in, because it's now like 6 o'clock.
Yeah, around 6 o'clock.
Yeah, it's now at 6 o'clock, so we need to like start heading back because we're exhausted and we still need to do some shopping at the grocery store. I'm dreading this. My feet are physically dying, so stay tuned.
Maybe you can ask this gentleman to go ahead before him.
No, it's okay.
So
It's okay. No, it's not, honestly, it's fine. It's fine.
It doesn't matter. Come on.
I'm just looking for my partner as well. He should be in this queue. So, hey guys. Okay, so basically, my battery died because I left the camera on at the train station. But after the train stopped, we had to get off and get on another train. Oh my god. Because the train wasn't going to stop at our destination, so it made no sense, so we had to get off and get back on the next train. It had the same stops, just minusing the one that we needed. So anyways, we went to a supermarket. First of all, our bags had to be put away in the lockers because my husband started beeping once he walked through them. It was like a nightmare, so he put those away, and then we had literally 5 minutes to go around the whole grocery store with feet. We physically couldn't walk. We couldn't walk. It was the night. So we were struggling to get food basically because we didn't know. And then this guy came over. He was like 8 o'clock, store closed, and I'm like, okay. And I'm just trying to move him out of the way, Jyoti, and got him in the queue. Then he realized he's got picked up baby milk instead of normal milk, so he went back. I went back and snuck through trying to get noodles or something, some food of some sort. And then he came round again. He's like, ma'am. I'm like, yes, 2 seconds. He just looked at me like, and I'm like, I'm coming, 2 seconds. Put it away. And then the other noodle packet started falling, so I put those back. And then I looked at him. I'm like, sorry, it's been a long day. He's like, okay, no worries. And then, oh my god. Okay, so I went to the queue and I was looking for Jyoti. Everyone, for some reason, kept asking me if I wanted to skip the queue. I had 2 noodle packets, let's be real. They looked at me like, do you want to skip queue? And I'm like, no. And then another person would say, you can skip my queue. And then the third person was like, you can skip. I'm like, no, I don't need to skip a queue. I'm just looking for my husband. He's got the rest of the store stuff, blah blah blah. And they like, I was like, they're so sweet because they wanted to help, but obviously it was like, I don't need it kind of thing. I was trying to explain to them, I'm looking for my husband. That's all I'm trying to do. But yeah, anyways, that's what happened. And then we finally made it to the hotel. I mean, it's like an apartment. It's not the best, but I'll show you what we have. I don't have energy to complain. Our feet hurt so badly. We've showered and everything, but I'll show you the rooms. So this is our room, basically. Wait, oh. Yeah, that's our room. Jyoti's in bed, by the way. But yeah, that's all. And then we have, okay, I booked a 2-bedroom. They gave us a 6-bedroom. So this is another bedroom, which we don't need. That's the toilet and shower. We've kind of used it, so it's not really clean now. This, so it goes to a second story, and I mean, it's not the best. Like, the TV is humongous, first of all. This dining table is cute, but it's got another bedroom up here, but you know. So this is the kitchen. So we've got a fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, microwave, no drawers, a sink, that's a stove, and that's got pots and pans. But yeah, this isn't like the best, so I don't even know. We have a balcony area, which overlooks this view. Actually just so lazy to complain about this. I mean, look at this. That's the toilet, and that's the cover to the boiler. Literally. Can you see the boiler? Look, boiler, cover, toilet. I mean, really can't be bothered to argue now. But yeah, that's the situation. But I will continue tomorrow's vlog tomorrow because I'm in so much pain. And we'll see what we'll do tomorrow. But we want to see all like the attractions at night. So we're going to stay out late, but we'll probably leave late to stay out late. Yeah, anyways, all that jazz. But anyway, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.